Are you looking for IKEA mattresses? In this video I will show you the best IKEA mattresses, based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The fourth product on the list is the Hagesund. Coming in at fourth is the Hagesund, the first innerspring mattress on our list. The Hagesund is made from individually wrapped pocket springs that each move independently of each other to follow your body exactly. Unlike many mattresses, the Hagesund is designed to be used on one side, so it only needs to be rotated periodically, not flipped. The Hagesund is an innerspring mattress, which means that it is a good all-around mattress for all kinds of sleepers. The individually placed spring coils insulate movements, so you don't transfer movement to your partner, and the stretch fabric that covers the mattress is easy to clean and soft to the touch. Number 3 on the list is the Mojdal. The Mojdal is a full-size foam mattress and is the best latex mattress. The Mojdal is an 8-thick polyurethane foam mattress that is bolstered with a generous layer of soft filling. The high-resilience foam of the Mojdal gives a feeling very close to memory foam that breathes better than memory foam. Like the Mattrand, the Mojdal also has specially designed comfort zones that relieve pressure at key points in the spine, shoulders, and hips. The Mojdal also has a removable cover that is 100% machine washable, so cleaning is a breeze. It is pretty thick and cushiony, so those who have back problems may want a softer mattress. However, it is excellent for those who sleep on their sides and stomachs. It is also very durable, which, coupled with the 25-year warranty, means you essentially never have to worry about it wearing down. The second product on the list is the Minsund. Up second in the Minsund, a latex foam mattress from IKEA. The Minsund is made from a durable core of polyurethane foam and is covered with a cotton/polyester blend fabric cover. The Minsund offers great all-around support and is thin, light, and easy to move and store. It weighs just over 2 pounds and is a maximum of 4 thick in the center. The Minsund is designed to be used with a slatted bed frame, but it works well with a box spring too. The Minsund is a great latex mattress for those who need something that is light, breathes well, and gives good support. The latex is moderately firm, but also molded to fit the shape of your body. Like most latex mattresses, it breathes fairly well and can be cleaned easily with just soap and water. Unfortunately, polyurethane is just not an incredible quality latex, so it will wear out faster than a more expensive latex mattress. However, as far as latex mattresses go, the Minsund is fairly cheap, so it has a decent price/quality ratio. Either way, the 25-year warranty and 365-day return policy mean that you can essentially buy it worry-free. Nest bedding is also a great alternative for this mattress with the Nest organic and natural latex. The first product on the list is the Mattrand. First up is the Mattrand memory foam mattress. The Mattrand is made from a high-density memory foam that molds to the contours of your body, helping you relax and relieve stress and pressure. Specially designed comfort zones give you precise support at crucial areas of the spine, shoulders, and hips. A great alternative for Mattrand is a high-quality memory foam mattress, Nectar Mattress. The Mattrand comes with a removable machine washable cover made of a cotton and polyester blend of fibers, so cleaning is easy. It is mid-weight for a memory foam mattress, at only 57 pounds and is 15 inches thick. The Mattrand is very cushioned but still offers enough support for the spine so it doesn't cause pain. Like all memory foam mattresses, it can get hot, but the fabric cover does a good job dispersing heat more efficiently than a memory foam mattress by itself. Like all IKEA mattresses, the Mattrand comes with a 25-year warranty and a 365 trial period. It comes rolled into a package, so you have to open it and give it a few days to expand out to full size. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. You can find all links down below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.